Hey loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you guys, and today I'm gonna be going ahead and installing and styling my wig from Panse Wig. I really hope I said that right. This is my first time receiving hair from this company. I've never received hair from this company before, but let me tell you guys, when I pulled this wig out of the box, I was like, this shit is so soft, and I'm really excited to put it on. It's really beautiful hair, you guys. So this is her right here. She is I think she's a lace frontal. Yeah, she's not 360. She is pre-plucked, as you can see. It does not have the bleached knots, but you could do that yourself. I'm not gonna do it myself though, because I'm probably gonna mess it up. So I'd rather just do it like this. But this is the wig. It is so beautiful, you guys. The hair is super soft, and it's like, it's just really bomb hair, to be honest. This is what the inside of it looks like. This is the front of the lace, and then this is the back, and it comes with adjustable bands right there. Also has some clips. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and be putting on this wig and then see how this looks.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and I really did enjoy putting on this wig, you guys. I really didn't have any problems with this wig. The only thing was the lace was a little bit too dark for me, but it really wasn't that big of an issue. Other than that, there was really no other issues with this wig. This hair is very soft, silky, it does not tangle. I really just enjoyed using this hair. It was very easy to style. It took in the curls really well. This is a very good quality hair, you guys. So if you guys are looking for a good quality wig that's gonna last you, I would definitely recommend this one to you guys. This one is really beautiful. The quality is absolutely amazing. This hair is just literally so beautiful, shiny, and it's just like, it's just everything. So I really do recommend this wig to you guys if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. I will leave all the information in my description box, you guys already know. But yeah, this is it. So yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and check them out, like I said again, I will leave the information down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. I love you guys so much. Y besitos.